So we just had to pull off the road a bit quick because we've just seen this. The cutest church I've ever seen. We had to stop. Just look at it. It's just absolutely beautiful. This little pink roof and the size of it. It's just so cute. It's even got a little bell in the top. It's just perfect. So I was just thinking, as it's so small, does that mean it's a chapel? What's the difference between a church and a chapel? Do you know?
No.
No. So it might be a chapel. I don't know. But it's just the cutest thing I've ever seen.
So I bet all the people from this little village get married in here. That'd be so cool. So cute. But this would have totally suited our wedding, which is only small. You know, 30 people, around 30 people there. So we would have all just crammed into the church, made it look really busy. So, we've just driven for about another 10 minutes from Prachov Rocks to Hrubá Skála, and there's another awesome walk through a pine forest surrounded by these rock formations, which are again just out of this world, to a viewpoint over Hrubá Castle. Absolutely awesome. I mean, these walks through these pine forests with these rock formations are just totally, they're just spectacular, aren't they? We've just found a little trap. Charlie!
Out of there, Charlie!
Charlie!
Is it a trap for a creature?
Some sort of creature. I don't know what it's going to kill. It's just going to trap something.
So if I throw this in there, will it go down? Watch out, Charlie.
Charlie, move out the way. You've got to move that wood.
That? Like
maybe it's just a little house for a mouse. God, they're getting clever, these mice now.
So cute, whatever it is. Hi, you two. Charlie's all over these boardwalks and bridges and steps. Boys love it here because it's like soft, sandy type ground.
It's like white sand in places, isn't it?
And they're just having the time of their life running around this forest, aren't they? They're loving it. And there's nobody here again. I mean, okay, it's only about 9 AM, so I guess it's going to be a bit later before it gets busy, but
it's just sensational.
It really is.
It's like something out of Lord of the Rings. It's just unbelievable. Really, really happy we came here to Bohemian paradise, as it's known now.
Oh, is it?
It's definitely worth a visit.
Yes, northern Czech, just right near the border of Poland. If you're in the area, come and check out this national park because it really is something quite special. Went up the tree. Hey there, boys. So, I've just seen something that we've never seen before. It looked like a small black squirrel. Must have been some kind of chipmunk or something. It was pretty cool. We couldn't film it because it sort of moved too quick. That's why the dogs are going nuts. It just ran up this tree. Really cool. And also, I want to mention this green this green pond. We've seen so many of these in Czech, completely green, covered in algae. Yeah, you can just imagine like a little crocodile or something sticking its eyes up, proper swampy style.
Got little houses.
It doesn't even look like a pond, does it? It's proper swampy, and there's little houses in the middle. I don't know why they're there either. Maybe frog houses? Would they make things for frogs? I don't know. It's pretty cool.
You'd think there'd be duck houses, but I can't see any ducks wanting to go on that pond.
There's no way ducks would go in there.
It's a bit too nasty for them.
It doesn't even look like water.
Looks weird. You throw a stone in. And it hits the surface, creates a ripple, and then it just comes back over. You won't want to fall in there.
We just Googled it, and there is such thing as a black squirrel. So we're just so excited because we love seeing creatures that we've never seen before in a while. It's a shame we can't get it on camera. Sorry about getting so excited and not being able to show you, but you know, it's up there somewhere and we're sure it's throwing things at us.
It is.
Things keep hitting the ground near where we are. So I reckon it's got its mates and it's throwing things at us.
The drive from Český Ráj up to the border of Poland is lovely. All these little castles dotted on the hillside, and then our last stop off's been sensational.
Waterfall. Now it's time for a little ice cold dip.
We're heading to Poland tomorrow. We're just across the border, right by this amazing national park. Just come on this stunning little walk to a waterfall called Mums Nums Mums Nims Mums.
Yeah, that's not important, but it's really, really nice.
Beautiful waterfall.
Nicer than what we thought it was going to be. There's loads of like proper little natural pools, and even though the water is pretty chilly, we have just had a little quick dip, just a quick kind of thing, which was fun. It's quite late in the evening now, as you can see. It's getting dark, so it is cooler as well, but bloody lovely.
So nice though, isn't
when
it?
the sun's on these pools,
I
and
think
it's a really hot
really
day,
busy,
yeah, it probably would be really busy, but you could see why, because it would just be lush.
Just like an enchanted forest, and then you come across this amazing river with all these waterfalls. Anyway, let's go find the dogs and head back.
Come on.
Get ready for New Country Day! Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.